Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Tuesday and it's already 10 a.m. So nandito tayo malapit sa Robinsons kasi hinatid ko si Nudi sa kanyang math class. So 2 hours yung kanyang pag-aaral. Hindi ko nga malaman kung bakit in-enroll pa ng kanyang ina dito kasi parang pang grade 1 lang naman yung tinuturo. But anyway, that's okay. 2 hours yun. So, 2 hours din ako magtatanga. After nito, pupunta kami sa kanyang mother. Doon kami mag-stay. Kasi meron akong 1:30 p.m. na tutorial. Meron akong nakitang nagtitinda ng parang banana Q, kamote Q doon sa gilid. So, bibili tayo. Let's see kung may pera tayo. Mukhang wala tayong pera. But anyway, uso naman yung scan dito. So, pwede natin gamitin ang ating phone sa pagbabayad. But, meron akong barya. So, yung gagamitin natin. Anyalay, what do you call this ka?
กล้วยข้าวเม่า
Putamao.
ทำจากกล้วยไข่
But it's also banana. Kuwai. It's also kuwai, ใช่ไหม
กล้วยอยู่ข้างใน อยู่ใน
Okay.
นี้
อันนี้เท่าไหร่ka? 20
10 บาท
10 baht.
10
Okay. This one is banana and kamote. So, hindi pa siya luto. Mag-wait tayo ng 10 minutes. I'll buy this 3 pieces.
ใบเดียว
3, Sam. No. Only this.
Ini na?
Yeah. Sam 10 baht.
ก็30 บาท1 2 3จ้ะขอบคุณมาก
Hi guys, time check. It's already 7:28 p.m. and maaga tayo nakauwi today. So, meron tayong food. Binili tayo ng aking boss. So, this one is namtok. Nakita niyo na to sa previous vlog ko. And then, meron tayong rice from 7-Eleven. Bumili akong rice sa 7-Eleven kasi naubos yung sticky rice. So guys, this is my namtok. Yan, mayroon siyang onion, meron din siyang lime, and this one, I don't know what do you call that, and grilled pork. So this one is only 60 baht, guys. 60 baht, pwera pa yung sticky rice. So this one, kinikilo nila kung gaano karami yung pork na gusto mo. So yeah, that's my dinner for tonight. Kain tayo! Good morning everyone! So, happy Thursday! It's already 11:40 a.m. So, nandito na naman tayo sa math class ni Nudi. So, 2 hours na ako dito. But then, 30 minutes more, matatapos na siya. So, dito na ako nag-intro sa car kasi medyo nahihiya pa ako mag-vlog. Gusto ko talaga mag-vlog, but then, medyo nahihiya lang talaga ako. Tingnan nyo dito guys, daming activity dito sa Thailand. It's good thing na para hindi ma-focus yung mga bata sa kakatablet. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng pera para maipasok natin yung mga anak natin. Wala pa pala akong anak. Yung mga anak, yung mga bata, kailangan natin ng pera. Meron ding dance class, boxing, tennis, taekwondo class, ballet class, and music class. Ang daming activity na pwedeng pagpilian ng mga bata. Sana may kasama ako mag-vlog. Puro pagmumukha ko na lang yung nakikita nyo. After nito, kakain kami sa labas with her mother. And after mga 2 p.m., meron siyang boxing class naman. So, yun lang guys. Bababa muna ako. Pinapalamig ko lang yung sasakyan ko kasi nga sobrang init. Tapos mamaya uulan na naman. What a weather is this, guys?
I have 1, 2.
1, 2, 3!
Yay! I see what's so funny. So, Daddy, baby, she was a you.
This one.
A baby, she was
That's baby T-Rex.
And Mama T-Rex.
Mama, this one, what's this?
And Dad T-Rex.
Daddy T-Rex. Eh, pala.
Family T-Rex!
Like this.
Mama, mama!
Dada.
For playing with me.
And one doing.
Bye!
You.
Sobrang ganda ng place. Malapit siya sa ilog. So ngayon, umorder tayo ng sets na food. Three foods. Ito yung in-order namin. Yeah, yung sets na to, 3 food. May crab sa loob na parang binalot. Tapos ito, salad squid. And meron tayong crispy pata. So yun ang in-order namin ngayon. 3 food. And that's enough na kasi konti lang naman kami kumain and 2 rice. So, I'm so hungry na. Super ganda ng place. Papakita ko sa inyo. So, this is the place and merong kumakanta. May banda din siya. Yun lang yung pinunta namin kasi merong set na $3.99. So, mura na siya. 3 food. Try namin yung food dito kung okay pa or masarap ba. Dumating na yung ating crispy pata. So, look at that. It's so big. Yeah, let's try. Let's eat. Is it good? So, let's try this first. Mas okay sana kung crispy yung labas, no? Let's try the salad. Spicy? No. Yummer! Then yung crispy pata is crispy talaga siya. Ayoko ng speed, baka ma-hype mata. Ang lutong niya! Grabe! Look at that! Okay. We're done eating. Itong dalawang to naubos namin. Pero itong crispy pata, hindi namin kayang ubusan kasi malaki siya. So, iti-take out natin to. Pero masarap siya. Crispy. And yung sauce din niya, sobrang sarap. So, guys, hindi namin naubos yung rice. So, ipapakain natin sa isda. Sabi pa dito.